Hey everyone, it's Ben Hardy here, and I just wanted to make a quick video about kind of not really scheduling, but how to get everything that you have to get done in a day, and how to keep the momentum going to get everything done, and just my quick tips on all of that essentially. And if you guys are wondering what this giant mug is, it's my coffee for the day. Yes, I filled this entire thing up, and it has kept me going throughout the entire day, and I've gotten everything that I've needed to get done today, and obviously getting this video filmed as well. But a really important thing to get everything that you need to get done in a day is having everything scheduled out. So, writing everything down and writing down how long each thing that you have to do in a day is gonna take. So, I write down that I'm gonna wake up at 5 o'clock, and then I'm gonna go and, answer comments on my channel, and I'm going to go and answer comments on Instagram, all that kind of stuff, and that's gonna take about 15 minutes. And then I go, okay, after that I'm gonna stretch, and then I'm gonna eat, and that's all gonna take collectively about 30 minutes. And I just kind of segment everything out, every part of my day. I go, okay, well, I'm gonna drive to work. That's gonna take me 20 minutes. I'm going to, once I get to work, I'm gonna meet with my team, go over everything. That's gonna take this amount of time. And just everything that I do in every single day, I segment it out, how much time it's gonna take. And then once I finish it, I either mentally check it off, which what I've been doing now, or when I first started doing it, I would physically just write it down, how much time it took, and then I would check it off. And there was something satisfying, obviously, about checking something off on a piece of paper. Now, the other thing is, obviously, some sort of supplementation, keeping yourself going throughout the day. So, when you're hungry, eat, keep yourself going. Obviously, you can do stuff like drinking caffeine and all that kind of stuff. I don't drink a ton, but I know today was a little bit different, but in general, I usually don't drink a ton, and just little things like that, just keeping yourself going health-wise, all that kind of stuff. So like I said, eating enough, making sure you have a lot of energy, and that's what's going to keep you going as well. And then the biggest thing, and the last tip that I have to say for you guys, is stick to the plan. I know that there are things that are gonna, pop up every single day, distractions, all that kind of stuff. You've got to keep yourself away from those distractions, stick to the plan. So, I'm tempted all the time when, I'm trying to do something in a day-to-day. Like right now when I'm trying to make a video, I was tempted to instead go and, look at other stuff, maybe look at stuff that I want to buy shopping-wise, all that kind of stuff, but I prevent myself from doing that, make the video, then once I get it done, I can go to the next step. And just segmenting everything out, super, super important. And if you stick to the plan, and obviously keeping yourself up energy-wise, all that kind of stuff, you can get so much more done in a day than you could have ever thought. So, big tip of the day, write everything down you have to do in a day, write down how much time it's going to take you to do, stick to it, and trust me, you will get so much more done, and you'll have so much more free time than you could have ever imagined. Because right now, with everything I do with work, I am running 2 channels, and obviously I have my full-time job as well, and I exercise 7 days a week, and I still have time every single day after all of my filming, editing, work, all that, to relax at the end of the day, which I did not have 3 months ago when I was only filming for this channel and I wasn't doing as much at work. So me just writing everything down has actually given me more time, believe it or not. So that's kind of like my advice for the day. Try it out. Let me know what you guys have after you have tried this out. I'd love to hear that. If you are stopping for the first time, please subscribe, comment down below what you thought. I'll see all of you in that next video.